Hello and welcome to another update. I just want to give you a quick update as we are heading into the new trading week. We take a look at the NASDAQ chart first, where we still don't have any clear top. So the rally from the April low has been quite strong. It's only a three-wave move to the upside. So this can be seen as a corrective rally in what we can consider a B wave in a much larger correction. That's the white scenario interpretation. And in the yellow scenario, the rally is seen as an A wave, which could then result in a B wave corrective pullback. And then we can even go higher. And I'm tracking something similar on the ES futures chart. But we don't even need to worry about that at the moment because so far we haven't broken any support level. And there are different layers of support up there. But I would say as soon as we get really a break below that box here, 20,567, we are likely at least in this B wave pullback. But there are a few layers of support that need to break first for indication that this rally from the April low is getting exhausted. For now, I can only say that the rally is pretty much visually complete. Okay, all that means is that the wave count is full, but as I always say, just because a wave count in a three-wave move, for example, is complete, technically complete, visually complete, it doesn't guarantee a reversal because the trend is still up. It just tells us that the risk is getting very high, that we don't necessarily expect further upside, but that we have to prepare for further upside as long as support holds, because we're still printing higher highs and higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, looking at the shorter time frame, let's go to the 15-minute, just a shorter time frame, and futures market is open, and as you can see here, we even have on the micro level a very full wave count. And now it's just a matter of deriving on site, really taking it level by level, because we're still holding above even upper micro support. So wave count is full, okay, but does that guarantee that we have to come down? No. We want to see if the previous swing low gets broken. So a break below 21,187, that would be a first indication a top is in. And then we want to see a break below 20,749. These are the key levels here for this week, especially the Thursday low. And then you've got this Fibonacci support area. Like first signal, a top is in, break below the red line, 21,187. Below that level, more substantial top signal if we get a break below 20,749 and then 20,567. Let's also take a look at the ES futures chart as an addition here. So there you go. So also here we could say that the structure to the upside seems technically complete. We have a very, very similar structure from the April low. I also see this as an ABC rally, where we have an A wave up, a B wave down, and a C wave up, very, very full. Not necessarily massively overextended, but the rally is, it's been quite a healthy rally and the wave count is technically full. Let me move this support area here to the right. It's the same situation as on the NASDAQ, where the next correction could just be a B wave, corrective pullback, and we continue higher in a C wave. But we don't even have any sign of a price top in place. So if we get this B wave correction, then this here would be an area to watch. Let me slightly adjust support. This would be an area to watch, but we first need to break below previous swing lows and then this support box. And then we can focus on the one between $5,090 and $5,530. But as long as the market is still pushing higher from the April lows, this support area will have to be adjusted with the price. So also here you can see that maybe some kind of a pullback has begun. but we're still holding above the very first micro support. These might be some levels to watch here between $5,890 and $5,930. And below that, we've got this previous swing low on Thursday, from Thursday. Once we get below that, this might be the beginning of a top formation process. But then we still have this Fibonacci support area below, which is just another layer of support where the price could find support. But then once we get a break below all these levels, yeah, that means a top has likely formed. So far, support levels have been holding on this move up. We're still printing higher highs, higher lows. All I can share is the wave count is very full. We're not massively overstretched. Yeah. So normally when we look at a rally like that, an ABC rally, the C wave would usually reach the 100% extension. It already reached that, but can go higher. I mean, the 123.6 extension here at 6,047 is not massively overstretched. But yeah, basically just watching, can we see a first 5-wave move down and break below previous swing lows? Until we see that, really extensions are still possible. So prepare for that. Hope you like the update. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks so much. Bye bye.